Hey everyone, it's Annie B, and today I'm going to be making an Asian cucumber and carrot salad. So it's really great on a hot day like today, so let's get into it. Okay, so what we have today is we're going to be using 2 cucumbers. I've already spiralized 1.5 of them, and I'm just going to show you guys how to use this doohickey. It's called a veggetti. It makes spiralized vegetables. We also have lime juice. Unfortunately, we don't have a fresh lime, so today we're just going to be using lime juice. It's not as exciting, but you'll get the gist of it. We've got some fresh cilantro that was picked from our garden, some salt, 1 scallion, 2 chopped carrots. Now, those are not regular colored carrots, but as you can see, it's gonna make the dish a little bit more colorful. We have rice vinegar, honey, pure sesame oil, and then last but not least, we have sesame seeds. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna spiralize our cucumber. So this is a veggetti or a spiralizer, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna just put our cucumber inside this area. Inside there are jagged ridges that once you twirl your vegetable, it makes a spiral shape. As you can see, we're gonna insert the cucumber and we're just going to twist it like so. And it makes cucumber ribbons. So I did this for 1.5 cucumbers, and I'm just using the other half of the cucumber. So this is going to be a total of 2 cucumbers that we're going to be using today. Once I'm done with this cucumber, I'm just gonna add some salt, and we're gonna leave the cucumbers to sit for about 15 or 20 minutes to try and get the excess water out, because we don't want our salad to be super watery. And the salt is gonna help drain the water out of the vegetable. So we're just gonna wait about 15 or 20 minutes to let the water come out of the cucumbers and make them a little bit more stiff. So in the meantime, I'm going to measure out all of the ingredients for the sauce that goes into this salad, and we're gonna mix it together. So for the start of our salad dressing, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Now the recipe calls for 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Now I'm just gonna do 2 tablespoons because I don't wanna have too much added sugar in this recipe. It's already gonna be nice and savory, and I don't want it to be too sweet. Do 1 teaspoon. Now I only have a half teaspoon, so I'll just do 2 of these sesame oil. It's very potent. So now we're gonna add is a pinch of red pepper flakes. Just stick my fingers in the red pepper flakes. And for our last ingredient for the salad dressing, we're just using 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. And now we're just gonna whisk all of this together. So it's been about 15 minutes, and what we're gonna do is we're just going to pat our cucumbers dry and make sure that we get rid of all of the excess water before we add all of our ingredients and salad dressing together. So we're just gonna lay it down, spread it out, try and get as much cucumber out as possible. It's very slimy. All right, so now just pat it dry. Look at all that water left in there. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna transfer the cucumbers to our bowl. Okay everybody, so now is my favorite time of cooking, where I combine all the ingredients and see the finished product and obviously taste it. So I've got my 2 carrots. In the bowl they go. I've got my 1 scallion chopped. In the bowl they go. And I've got my fresh cilantro from the garden, chopped. In it goes. Maybe a little bit more. And lastly, I'm just gonna add the salad dressing. I'm gonna add a little bit here and there, stir, add a little bit, stir. You get the gist of it. And there you have it. This is our Asian cucumber salad. Great for a nice hot day like today. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon.